Welcome back to Smith Weather. I'm your host, Ari Smith. Today, our meteorologist, Leo, will be interviewing ABC7 Chicago's meteorologist, Tracy Butler. Here's the weather.
The forecast for Wednesday, April 22, for Highland is a high of 62 degrees and a low of 42 degrees, and cloudy. On Monday, I reported that today was going to be a great day to get outside. I'm sorry I did not warn you about the rain for today. Hopefully, you still enjoyed the warm weather. Now, I'm excited to share my interview with ABC7 Chicago's meteorologist, Tracy Butler. Hi there, Miss Butler.
Hi, Leo.
Thank you for joining me.
My pleasure.
I have a couple questions for you.
Okay, let's hear it.
Why do you want to become a meteorologist?
You know what? Something that I really love about weather is have you ever gone out in your backyard and you look up at the sky and you look at the clouds and they make different shapes? And I've always loved being able to do that. I used to do that when I was a little kid, and I was just fascinated about clouds more than anything else. But something else, and I brought an example of something that I love to do. One of my favorite hobbies is I love puzzles. And maybe you're thinking, wait a minute, why is she talking about puzzles? I want to know about weather. To me, weather forecasting is like building a puzzle. You have to pull together different pieces of the atmosphere to kind of come together to make a weather forecast. So I kind of look at weather forecasting like I'm building a puzzle. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
Okay, so that's what I love about weather. And for us in the Chicago area, it's always changing. So it's almost like it's a new day every day when it comes to what it is that I get to do.
Next question. What is your favorite type of weather?
My ideal temperature, I always tell people, is 87 degrees and sunny. I love hot weather. I love golf. So I love to be out there when it is really, really warm. But, you know, like many folks love the sunshine. But yeah, I like hot weather. I like summer the best. That's my favorite season.
What is your favorite part of your job?
Favorite part of my job, well, one of my favorite parts of my job is what I just explained to you. The fact that pulling together weather forecasts is kind of like building puzzles. And that's something that I have always really, really enjoyed. Another favorite part of my job, and I'm going to put this down very quick because I'm going to show something to you. I'm going to move for just 1 second, so hang on. You see this? This is what I call a weather sketcher. And I have children for, let's see, the past, how many years have I been in Chicago? 26 years. So that's a long time before you were born. But children of all ages, well, specifically ages 13 and younger, draw weather pictures for me, and they send them into the station, and I get to show their artwork on TV. And that's one of my very favorite parts of my job. I love that kids are able to kind of put this idea of weather on paper, and I love to be able to share that creativity with so many people so they can see children's artwork. And I would love for you to draw me a weather picture, Leo. I'd like to see something from you so I can show it on TV.
Cool. I would love to draw you a picture. Next question. Have you accidentally worn green before?
I have worn green before. I've worn green. So when I'm at the station, we have what's called the green screen or the chroma key wall. And when I've been there, especially on St. Patrick's Day, because that's a day that we typically wear green, or for some fun on Halloween, I'll take a giant big green tablecloth and wrap it around me, and you can just see my head bobbing around. So that's kind of fun. But I'm here in my home studio right now. You know, many of us have been working at home, so you're kind of getting a little behind the scenes here at my workstation back in my basement. So that's where I am right now. So I don't have a green screen at home, but I have all kinds of computers and monitors and everything else that I'm able to use.
Thanks for showing me your studio. It was a pleasure to meet you.
It was my pleasure to meet you, but I want to know what your favorite kind of weather is, Leo.
I like 89 and sunny.
I love it. Okay, you're a good kid. I knew I liked you. Do you like to play sports, or do you like to do some things outside?
Yeah, I love to.
Yeah, what do you like to do when you go outside?
I like to climb trees and play on a swing.
That's awesome. You know what? I remember when I was growing up, we used to have this apple tree in our front yard, and we always used to climb up in that tree. So that was a lot of fun. So you stay safe, okay? Be careful climbing those trees. But thank you for asking me to talk to you, okay? And good luck in school.
Thank you. Thanks, Tracy Butler, for joining me today on Smith Weather. I really appreciate your time for answering my questions. See you all tomorrow for the weather report.